Let's see how good your cricket knowledge is. 10 questions in 60 seconds. Let's go. Question 1. Which country won the first ever T20 World Cup in South Africa in 2007? That was India. Question 2. What is the maximum number of overs any bowler can bowl in a standard 50-over game? 10 overs. Legendary batsman Sir Donald Bradman finished his test career on what average? 99.94. So close. Question 4. This is an easy one. If a batter hits the ball over the ropes without it touching the ground, how many runs does he get? 6. Which international ground is known as the home of cricket? Lords. Question 6. Which is the only cricketer to have scored 100 international centuries? Sachin Tendulkar. Question 7. What happens if a bowler steps over the propping crease with his front foot? It's a no ball. The historic and famous Ashes series is contested between which two countries? That's Australia and England. You should know that. Question 9. Listen carefully. What type of spin bowler delivers the ball with their right hand from the offside to the leg side of the right-handed batsman? That's an off spinner. And then question 10. Which country won the ICC Men's 50-over World Cup 3 years in a row between 1999 and 2007? Australia. Let me know in the comments how many you got and follow for more.